Ever felt that burning sensation in your throat or chest after a meal? You might be experiencing acid reflux, also known as GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease. A discomforting condition, isn't it? But here's the good news. Stopping acid reflux instantly is possible. And today, we'll uncover that secret. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, the tube that connects your throat to your stomach. It's a common condition, but it's not one you have to live with. So, how can you stop it instantly? The answer lies in a simple yet effective remedy: alkaline water. Alkaline water with a pH level greater than 7 can neutralize the acid in your stomach, providing immediate relief from the burning sensation that acid reflux brings. It's like having a fire extinguisher for the flames in your chest. Isn't that a relief to know? But where can you find this magical water? It's simpler than you think. Many supermarkets and health food stores sell bottled alkaline water, or you can make your own at home by adding a squeeze of fresh lemon or a pinch of baking soda to your drinking water. Remember, a small change can make a big difference. Now, before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points from today's conversation. Acid reflux, or GERD, is a common condition that causes discomfort in the form of a burning sensation in the throat or chest. But there's an instant solution at hand: alkaline water. With its pH level greater than 7, it can neutralize stomach acid and provide immediate relief. You can find it in stores or make it at home with lemon or baking soda. So, the next time that burning sensation creeps up, remember this secret. Don't let acid reflux ruin your day. Reach for that glass of alkaline water and extinguish the discomfort a flash. You have power to stop acid reflux instantly. Now, isn't that a secret worth sharing? Now that brings us to end of this video. If you found the information useful, why not share this secret with your friends and family? Remember, a you is a happier you. And here's our final call to action for you. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and become a part of our Glad Coaching community. Help us in our mission to spread health happiness by hitting the like button and sharing this video with as many people as possible. Make a difference today by helping us spread this message. In addition to alkaline water, there are other food options that can help manage acid reflux. Let's take a closer look at these. First on our list, we have bananas. They are not just a handy snack, but they also happen to be an excellent source of natural antacid for the stomach. So next time you feel the burn, go bananas. Next is ginger. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can help soothe your stomach and keep acid reflux at bay. A warm cup of ginger tea can work wonders. Oatmeal is another great option. It's not just a hearty breakfast item, but it's also a great source of fiber, which is good for acid reflux. A bowl of oatmeal can help reduce the symptoms and give you a good start to your day. Last but not least, we have aloe vera. While you might think of it as a remedy for sunburn, drinking aloe vera juice can reduce inflammation in the stomach and esophagus, helping to calm acid reflux. Remember, your diet plays a crucial role in managing acid reflux. By incorporating these foods into your regular diet, you can help keep those pesky acid reflux symptoms at bay. So, eat right and live a healthier, happier life. Thanks for hitting the subscribe button and becoming part of our Glad Coaching community. Help us spread the mission of inspiring healthy living around the world. Visit the link for more content to help you on your wellness journey.